Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Lindsay Riley. We are tracking strong thunderstorms on the map. Another active monsoon day. It is our first above average monsoon year since 2015 in the Phoenix metro area. Well over 3 inches of rain has fallen out at Sky Harbor since the start of the monsoon, and more coming down this afternoon. Our primary threat being flash flooding. A lot of these thunderstorms today are producing rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. The soil is already wet, the washes are already full, and we're adding a lot more precipitation in a short period of time, which can compound the issue, creating a mess and some additional flash flooding over the next couple of hours. In fact, you can see an outflow boundary coming in from these strong thunderstorms, helping to generate these brand new storms over the Gilbert-Chandler area. Most of this activity today is moving to the north and east at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So they're generally slow moving thunderstorms. Currently, we don't have any severe thunderstorm warnings in the valley, but they're still strong. Flash flooding is the primary threat, and up to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So it still can cause some damage as these thunderstorms move to the northeast. Generally, what we can expect for tonight is another couple of hours for thunderstorm chances in the valley. And then generally, these storms will be pushing toward the north and east, keeping a flash flood threat alive, especially up near the Payson area and along the rim. That's what we'll be on the lookout for tonight. These are very heavy rain producers, and you can see downtown Phoenix currently getting in on some heavy rain, a lot of cloud to ground lightning. We've seen the heavy rain cross I-17 again. If you do encounter a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. It takes just 6 inches of water to possibly stall out your car and 12 inches of water for the car to begin to float away. You can see Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert here with these pop-up thunderstorms, a lot of cloud to ground lightning, heavy rain, 40-mile-per-hour winds moving to the northeast at about 15 to 20. These storms here, these pushed through Cave Creek, Carefree, and Anthem about 45 minutes ago. We already saw several flash flood warnings that are in effect, all these maroon boxes here. From Black Canyon City through Anthem, Cave Creek, Carefree, we saw a quick 1 to 2+ inches of rain, some pockets of locally heavier precipitation, and this batch of showers here moving up the 87 toward the Payson area and the rim. And that's where we'll be watching out for additional flash flooding as we head through this evening. A brand new severe thunderstorm warning, in fact. This goes until 3:15. This is the orange box here, so the southern part of this strong storm right over the 87. This is pushing to the north and east, so folks north and east of this, watch out. That particular storm could produce 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's the threshold for severe weather and a severe thunderstorm warning. You can see some of these rain accumulations, so pretty hefty rain amounts along the I-17 north of the 101. Up toward Cave Creek, Carefree, we are looking at about 2 to 3 inches that has already fallen, and we're not done with the rain yet, although rain chances will start to lift north and east of the valley over the next couple of hours. Pocket of 4 inches just south of Payson, more heavy rain on the way, and then out toward Globe, where we had a flash flood emergency earlier this afternoon, pockets of 2 to 4 inches on the ground already with additional showers and storms expected. Sedona, Flagstaff, Camp Verde, nothing severe in your neighborhood right now. One strong storm just to the north of Paulden here. Again, this heavy rain that we're seeing around the Fountain Hills, Cave Creek area, that is lifting north and east. So folks in Payson, Heber, Overguard, Show Low, heads up. It could be an active weather night for you with additional flash flood threats. Northern Arizona around the Grand Canyon, we're seeing some strong thunderstorms, but overall it's a little bit more isolated in coverage there. Further to the south, Pinal County, not too much going on right now. Generally, this is all going to lift north and east, and things are going to quiet down, especially across southern and western Arizona as we move through this evening. So drier air is moving in. This is our last major threat for monsoon for the rest of the week. We're looking at much lower numbers on the monsoon meter over the next couple of days. The temperatures will start to rise. We'll get back into some triple-digit heat by the weekend weekend as well. You can see this one thunderstorm blossoming over Gilbert and Mesa, also along the 51 near Piestewa Peak there, downtown Phoenix, lifting northeast, heads up in Scottsdale, more strong storms headed your way, but we have another couple of hours to go in the Phoenix metro as those storms lift to the north. You can see on our FUTURECAST, here's 3:30, most of that moving into Gila County and Yavapai County at that point. 4:30, arrival time into Payson and the Rim area. 5:30, most of which will be north and east of the valley. And then after sunset tonight, a lot of this will slowly die down, and we're looking at much quieter weather as we go ahead toward Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. We just have ones on the monsoon meter for most of Arizona tomorrow, indicating just an isolated chance. Dry, sunny weather expected in the valley. We'll still see highs in the double digits in the valley and 70s up along the rim. So below average temperatures continuing, but the chance for rain and storms really going down over the next couple days. We're entering quiet weather pattern. Just stay weather aware tonight. Flash flooding is our biggest risk with a flash flood watch that will remain in effect through 8 p.m. After 8 p.m., weather starts to quiet down. But for the very latest, we will have more newscasts coming up on 12 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. But for now, thank you for joining us on the 12 News app and 12news.com, and we will see you on TV at 4 p.m.